Hi there, students. To implant, a verb. Implantation. Implantation, the noun. I guess implanted, an adjective. Let's see. An implant, or to implant, is a medical operation to put something inside somebody's body. I don't know, for example, many dogs have a microchip implanted in their body, so that if they run away, you know who it belongs to. Okay, to implant. You could have a group of cells implanted. Maybe you have a medical problem, and you have some cells implanted from one part of your body to another. Notice the difference between implant and transplant. Transplant from one person to another, a heart transplant. But an implant, you put something inside the body. So a lady could have a breast implant to make her breasts bigger. Okay, to implant. You can also use this word to implant, talking about fixing ideas, feelings, opinions into somebody else's mind. A psychotherapist might implant new ideas into a patient's head, or parents implant their own personal attitudes into their children. So to implant something into, to insert, to fix, to put something inside. Okay, to establish an idea in a person's mind, to inculcate, to insinuate, to put something, to instill an idea in their mind. You could let's see, fertility therapy. There are many couples who cannot have babies, and an egg could be implanted into the woman's uterus in order to for her to have a baby. So to implant, an object that doctors put inside someone's body during an operation. To implant, to fix deeply, to fix securely. The statue had a very large sapphire, had two large sapphires implanted as eyes. To implant an idea, to set an idea permanently in somebody's mind, or to implant a habit. So schools very often implant different ways of doing things, or implant methods of doing things in young people. People who are deaf, sometimes they get a cochlear implant, something that is implanted inside the ear to help them hear. So to implant a microchip in your dog or your cat, to implant a memory, a false memory, to get somebody to remember something that isn't true, that didn't actually happen. Okay, so to implant, to put something in somebody's body by a medical operation. To implant, or an implant, something that's implanted, to implant an embryo, to implant an egg so that it could develop. You could implant an idea or an attitude in people, so you make it accepted by them. Yes, I think it's very unfortunate if people implant prejudice in other people's mind. Um, okay. From a very young age, I implanted into my children the importance of making their own decisions. Yeah, to instill, like to sow seeds, to inculcate, to implant something. Um, to fix firmly, to fix securely within the mind or within the body. Let's see, to implant, formality, an implant. I think I'm going to give it 5.5 in formality, use anywhere, informally, semi-formally and formally. And as to origin, it comes from French implanter, from Latin itself, implanto, to implant, to put in, to plant inside, to fix in place. So I hope this video has helped implant this piece of vocabulary in your memory. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Implant.